Hi, welcome back to our channel swapnangal. Let us train together. In today's video, we're going to make a cell phone tower. This is our project that we are going to make. Okay, so for this project, we're going to be using kebab sticks. Okay, so I'm starting from 1 centimeter and going up in threes, like 1, 4, 7, and so on. We must be marking on 4 of the kebab sticks like this. And the tools that we're going to be using is a glue gun and wire cutter. Right, and marking, yeah. Alright, and doing the other one. Okay, so now I've marked those 4. Now these are the 4 pieces which are 4 centimeters, which will be on the top part, and this one and these 4 pieces are 6 centimeters, which will be at the bottom of the cell phone tower. Okay, so you see I've marked the kebab sticks. Alright, so now I took the 2 of the marked ones and now I'm applying the glue and using the 6 centimeter one at the bottom and placing it where we marked it at the 1 centimeter. Okay, I'm pressing it to make sure it is glued nicely. Alright, okay, and it's almost glued. Yeah, just making sure. Alright, I think it's finished. Okay, so now I'm just going to make sure the thing is right. So I'm putting glue on now, and I'm putting one of the 4 centimeter one of the 4 centimeter pieces that we cut it out for the top part of the cell phone tower. Now I've done it. Now I'm going to be using kebab sticks, and I'm going to be measuring where we marked, and I'm using a wire cutter to cut off the kebab sticks, and I'm gluing them onto the marked places. So now we're going to have to do it all the way until we finish on the top marked one. Okay, so I'm using the wire cutter and gluing. Okay, gluing. Just making sure it's glued nicely. Okay, so then we're going to use that. And now we're going to be putting it diagonally. See, I'm also measuring it now. It's used for triangulation, which will give the cell phone tower stability and strength. Okay, so I'm putting it here. So just like we done before, I'm going to be measuring it and then cutting it off with the wire cutter. But the difference is we're going to have to put it diagonally, that's all. Right, I'm almost done, so we must do it all the way to the top. Okay, and again measuring. Yeah, just making sure it's not too small or not too long. Right, now applying glue. There we go. Okay, so we done it for 2 of those things. Now I'm using my dad's help, and now I put the other 6 centimeter one and making sure both of those things are put together. Okay, and now we're turning it around and putting the 4 centimeter one on top. We must be still putting it along with the marked places where we done. Okay, adding glue, then I'm going to put that 4 centimeter one on top. Alright, now just making sure. Now we're going to be flipping it over and I just put a knife over there so it will not be stuck onto that piece. Right, and doing it on the top again and turning it another way around. Okay, I'm adding glue and putting that 6 centimeter one down there. Okay, just like we done with the other one, we are measuring and then we're putting the kebab sticks and things and we're gluing just like we done with the other one. Alright? Okay. And the last one for that. Okay. But we're not going to be finished yet then, because we still have to do the triangulation on this one. Okay. So measuring and then cutting, then making sure it's not too long or too short, and then be using it for the antenna. Okay, so now I'm busy cutting it out. I'll show you after it's cut it out. Okay, so yeah, I'm busy cutting it out with a craft knife and using a steel ruler, so it will not get scratched or damaged with the ruler. Okay, so this is how it will look like after it's cut it out. Alright, now we also use a circle for the other antenna. Okay, so now I took a strip of paper and now we're going to be placing it around the circle. Okay, and then we're going to glue it. Okay, so now we've made the antennas and we're fitting it on top. So we just do it on the corners. Okay, adding glue and placing the antenna on. Okay, just looks like it wasn't really glued properly. I'm just doing it again. Right, glue also down. Okay, yeah, so we've glued everything and this is what the finished project looks like. Doesn't it look nice and beautiful? Yeah, looks nice, eh? Thank you for watching this video. If you found that this video helped you in making the cell phone tower, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye!